In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ETrade High Yield Savings Account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what information to have ready so the process feels quick and stress-free. First, log in to ETrade using the website or the mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection, especially if you're entering personal details. If you already use ETrade for investing, you'll sign in the same way you normally do. Once you're in, you're just a few clicks away from the savings application. Next, look for the Open Account option. This is your starting point for adding new accounts under your profile. From there, choose Bank. This filters the options to ETrade's banking products. Then select Premium Savings Account. This is the high-yield savings option that offers competitive interest while keeping your cash accessible. Before you proceed, take a moment to review any key details shown on the screen. Things like current features, any limits or disclosures, and how interest is calculated. It's always a good idea to be familiar with the account you're opening. Now it's time to fill out your information. You'll enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your identification, along with your current residential address. Accuracy matters here because financial institutions use this to verify your identity. You'll also provide ID details such as a driver's license or passport. Keep that document nearby so you can enter the number and expiration date correctly. In addition, you'll provide your social security number or tax identification information. This is required for identity verification and for tax reporting on any interest you earn. Enter it carefully and only within the secure ETrade form. As you move through the form, answer each field thoroughly and double-check for typos. Make sure your address matches what's on your ID if possible, since mismatches can slow verification. If the form asks brief regulatory questions, that's standard and helps meet federal requirements. Take a moment to read any consent boxes or acknowledgments so you understand how your information is used and how the account functions. When everything looks correct, follow the on-screen prompts to submit your application. You may see a confirmation screen indicating that your request is being processed. Keep an eye on your messages for updates from ETrade in case they need clarification on any detail you provided. That's it. You've navigated to Open Account, selected bank, chosen Premium Savings Account, and entered the required information. With careful attention to accuracy, you'll set up your high-yield savings quickly and confidently.